So I've run into a little problem with this one because the spacing ends up right on the join. So I'm just going to silicon inside here. Get my finger working. And you can't see, but it needs to be sealed. And this will do the trick. Now, I ran out of glue, so this green PVC cement so this should do the trick for. I just don't want any leaks in the bottom of this join, and this should just do the trick very nicely. Right, and I have another problem, of course, because the join's higher. Actually, no, that's fine because there's a gap under the bucket. There's a lip under the bucket here. So that sits flat. Oh, very nice. Sits flat. It actually fits over that very nicely. All right. I was going to cut a couple of strips of this and just glue it on beside it so the bucket would sit, but there's no need. Yeah, tomorrow I can set up the base. Oh, after work first, and start putting the buckets in, connect it up, and it'll all be good. So now, last thing tonight, I have to thin out all the silver beet plants. Okay, so I've got the rail in along here, a little space at each end. It's pretty level. So, nice easy one. Now all I have to do is get the buckets and well, before I do that I will fill it up with nutrient. I've just got the nutrient tank filling up at the moment in here, and I'll give that a good mix. Fill it up. Hopefully there's no leaks. I'm pretty sure there won't be. Got my float set, and I'll be putting all my yellow capsicums along here. I brought a yellow capsicum from the shop and decided to plant the seeds, and they all came up. Amazing. Yay. So hopefully I'll get some nice yellow capsicums. So I'll go and get the buckets up here ready for when the nutrient is finished filling up and mixed properly, and get some of my capsicums in here, and I'll put some cucumbers in the end here as well. So the snow peas are just about done. Some beautiful seeds coming. Not quite ready yet, but I'll just turn them off now and let them dry out and get all the seed. Righto. Alright, so got all the buckets up here. It's filling up, as you can see, and I've got my float set, so well, it should be about half full, so I shouldn't have any problems there. I'll just put the buckets in and I can plant my capsicums out later. Just put a few cucumbers in there, and when the snow pea's finished it'll take over this side. So I'm going to have capsicums on this side, the yellow capsicums, and on the other side where the snow peas are, I'll grow some more tomatoes. So that's about it. Extending the wicking system, side by side system. Very easy because it's all fed from that drum there, and I just split the two systems there. Alright, that's about it. Oh, I've got these covers here just to cover over, just made them out of milk bottles, just to cover over that hole there where the float is, to stop algae growth. Anyway, that's it. Another job done.